Yo, I've been thinking lately since the GoPro Hero 8 dropped, and I already have the Hero 7. Is it worth getting the Hero 8 since they're basically the same, except for that the 8 has the Hyper Smooth 2.0 and Time Warp 2.0, and it brings out the pictures a lot more. And then the 8 has Hyper Smooth for all of the video settings. Look at that little big squirrel. Of all the, you can use Hyper Smooth on all the settings. Like, I think it was like 4K 60, you can use it, and the 7 you can't, or something like that. But I've been thinking if I should, is it worth getting, because the 7 is basically the same thing as the 8. It's just that it has the better Hyper Smooth and a better Time Warp. So y'all let me know, is it worth getting, so I can possibly buy it and try it out, and I can let y'all know if it's worth getting, because I want to try something new with the